Hey guys, I just wanted to preface this video and give you a little information on the giveaway and say thanks again to our sponsor over at Little Keyboards. This giveaway is going to happen on Instagram. You will be required to follow myself. It's at Twitch Kirball and Little Keyboards at Little Keyboards on Instagram. Once the pictures go live after the build, I'll be building this on stream on my Twitch stream on Wednesday the 23rd, starting at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After the build, I'll be posting pictures over on my Instagram, and you will be required to share that post, like that post, and tag 2 friends. Everybody that participates in those rules will have a chance. I'll be doing the drawing live on my stream Wednesday, the 2nd of March 2022. My stream starts at 10. I'll probably be doing the raffle around midnight. That is Eastern time. So if you can't make the stream, that's perfectly fine. We're still going to contact the winners and announce the winners on Instagram. So don't feel required to show up at my stream, but I would like to see you there. And, good luck to everybody. Thanks. Hey, what's up guys? Today we've got an unboxing I'm very excited about, and I hope you will be as equally excited as I am. We're going to be unboxing a Corne from our friends over here at Little Keyboards. We're going to be building this on stream February 23rd and then giving it away on stream the following Wednesday on March the 2nd. Usually my streams start around 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The giveaway will probably happen about midnight. We're going to be giving this away on Instagram, so you do want to make sure you're following me and Little Keyboards over on Instagram. But in the meantime, let's take a look over here at Little Keyboards website. As you can see, they offer a variety of products, and most of their products are focused towards split boards, ergonomic boards, basically small keyboards, as their name is Little Keyboards. It should kind of be self-explanatory what kind of things they have. But let's take a look at what we're going to be opening today and what's going to go into the build that will be given away over the next couple of weeks. So this is the Corne MX version 3.01 PCB kit. It's $36 in black. I can't remember what color he sent me. I believe it may be purple. I could be incorrect. We will find out here shortly. For the case, we're getting the Corne controller case. This case, I'm not sure what color OLED cover, but he has sent me a walnut plate. And for the base, we're getting a powder coated black 3mm stainless steel. This walnut plate is actually legit real walnut. It's cut and then it's treated with coats of linseed oil over the next 5 to 6 days, so it's well treated. It's going to hold up fine. I actually got my hands on a few of these boards at a meetup last year, and the cases are phenomenal. So for switches, we're going to be unboxing and using the Taro color variant of the Milk switches, which are a palm switch with an unwiped stem. They're your standard 5-pin PCB mount like we're used to using in the hobby, and these have a 63.5 gram spring weight with a 3.69mm travel, and they are a linear switch because linears are great. No offense to those of you that like tactiles and clickies, people do have their faults. Of course, I'm just joking. Preference. But let's pop into this guy right quick. Let's see what we have in here. Try not to get the knife too far in because I don't want to accidentally cut anything that's inside. After this video, be sure to go and check out littlekeyboards.com. If you see him on Instagram, I'm not sure if he's on Facebook or whatnot, but we are going to be doing the giveaway on Instagram. You will need to follow myself as well as Little Keyboards. Oh, he's made new stickers. Hang on. I didn't know he had new stickers. He told me he was sending stickers to go with it. I didn't know there was new ones. Oh, sweet. So we've got some new stickers of all of Be It from Little Keyboards Dogs. Hopefully he doesn't mind that I said his name. I will be including those with the giveaway, so whoever wins, you get these 4 cute little puppy stickers. And here are our switches and PCBs. So the switches are the purple. I'll be lubing those over the next couple days, probably on stream. We've got our OLEDs here. We've got Type C. Oh, they are Elite Cs. Okay, so we've got Elite C microcontrollers, which is very nice. What do we got here in this envelope? Wow, the blade just pulled out of my knife. How did that get loose? That's an accident waiting to happen. I'll have to fix that after stream. Here in the envelope we have, oh wow, he included low profile sockets as well as pins for socketing the Elite Cs. So I will be socketing the Elite Cs, so if you ever need to replace them. So yes, this is the version 3.01 PCB in a purple. We've got our hot swap sockets here and LEDs here as well, so there will be a per key LED on here. And okay, wow, he's got plate foam, so we've got plate foam to go with it. We've got our screws and hardware that we're going to need to put it together. And whoa, wow, okay. So he did tell me there was some heft to these, but wow. So these stainless, or excuse me, yeah, powder coated stainless steel case bottoms are very heavy, a lot heavier than I expected. So it is going to be a nice heavy build one. All right, guys. So you probably noticed the music changed. Things shifted a little bit. When I sat the plate down, I accidentally clicked my mouse and stopped the recording. I don't know how the mouse cursor just managed to be in the right place for that to happen. I apologize. Let's pick up where we left off. These are your acrylic OLED display covers. These are the gray tinted ones. I really like these. I've used them in my personal cases that I've built, that I've bought from Little Keyboards. I like them because they give it that stealth approach to the OLEDs. You don't really see them until they light up, and then it's really cool. It's a nice, you know, stealthish effect. So these are the plates. These are actual walnut. This is not a synthetic material. This is actual walnut that's been cut, treated. It looks amazing. When we were at the meetup last summer back at Kirball's location, the boards that he brought to show off and let people play with that had these walnut plates were a big topic. Everybody was talking about them, and it's definitely going to be something that if you bring this board to the office, everyone's going to be pretty stoked on and talking about and glad to see. So in my mad dash to get into this box, because I was dying to see what was in it, I forgot to show you the case that he included. So let's take a look at that now. This is a Corne carrying case. As you can see, it's got cutouts to hold the Corne halves within. There's also a actual zippered pocket at the top, so you don't have to worry about your TRS cable or USB-C cable shifting around and scratching things up, which pretty unlikely anyways, but I'm sure we've all had that time where we had stuff in the case and something slipped out and it scratched your case or it scratched your keycaps. So let's take a up close and personal look at this case here. So these are actually a really high quality case, because I did already pull it out once, not realizing that I wasn't recording. So you've got Little Keyboards branded here across the top, which, you know, it's pretty nice little place to brand it, you know, and people are going to see it and be like, oh, they'll know right what's inside of there. They'll know where you got it from. Inside you've got a pocket here that, you know how pockets work. It's a mesh pocket. You can put your stuff in there. You don't have to worry about it falling out and getting on your board like I mentioned before. It has already got custom cutouts to fit your two Corne halves, so you don't have to do any kind of modification to the case. You just drop those guys in and you are good to go. So that's about it for the unboxing. Hey, what's up guys? Sorry I had to cut in again. I know I normally don't do this, that I try to get everything in one take. I apologize for the multiple cuts throughout this video, but I did get a phone call because I neglected to realize that my phone was not on silent, and then my air conditioner cut on when I started trying to record again. So this is like the fourth take on me saying thank you for watching the video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Tell your friends about the upcoming giveaway. I hope you have a great week, and I wish you much luck in the giveaway. I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Thanks.